got a shotgun, a rifle, and a four-wheel drive, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive. I can plow a field all day long. I can catch catfish from dusk till dawn. Make our own whiskey and our own smoke too. Ain't too many things these old boys can't do.
Hello, welcome back again to Montana John's Outdoor Adventures. We're out here spring bear hunting. Oh, and here's Levi. He's going to go ahead and shoot a gopher as he's driving. I got a... Oh, look at him. Go ahead and get him, Levi. Oh.
I'm fed up and set up all high on that hill.
Oh, you got him! Whoa!
Don't give a damn about a common man. Hell, they never will.
Oh, look at him! Good job. So we're out spring bear hunting, and as we're doing that, it's legal to run around and drive around with your 22 and shoot gophers out the window if you want. So we just just Kenny McFurry comes up high, and we're just having a blast shooting gophers. So. And spring bear hunting. So, as you're driving around looking for bears, it's fun to shoot some gophers. Oh, just on the left-hand side. All the way up on the left-hand side, right. Oh, you're right behind him, yeah. So we're just having a good time out here today in Montana, spring bear hunting and shooting gophers. Oh man, come on, Levi, get one. You got two? Alright. Well, you know, Montana John's about gun safety first, then shooting guns, and if you're safe about it, you can shoot out of your vehicle. You just have to be safe, having the muzzle out. Keep the gun pointed out of the vehicle, keep the muzzle out. As you drive down the road, you don't want to have the muzzle in the vehicle with it loaded like this, so my gun's clearly hanging out like that. So we're about gun safety first, then shooting guns. So if you want to go on a Montana John's Outdoor Adventure and shoot guns, I have a link to in every video. I have a link to my website, and you can contact me. I don't know how to. Oh, is that a GoPro? I heard that one. Sure. But, oh. Yeah. We're just having a good time out here shooting gophers. I'll show you what it looks like here in Montana. Oh, you guys are going to get one. Let's see if I can flip. There he goes.
Red-tailed hawk sitting on a limb. Chubby old groundhog, croaking bullfrog. Free as a feeling in the wind. Homegrown country girl, gonna give me a...
So Levi's trying out my saw. He's never had one like this before. My 391. There you go. Perfect. Now he did a very good job. Seriously, on a serious note, look how nice of a step you have right there. See? That's really good. All right. He's gonna buck this up now. Woo. Hey Levi, how do you like using that? You don't bend over, do you? He's getting used to using a new saw. He's never used this saw before, so you gotta cut him some slack. Plus my saw hasn't been running for over a year. Kinda had it sitting stagnant. Got a new house, we don't have wood heat, but this is gonna be for campfire wood. Bears will come out and come down here and want to look for something to eat down here. So we're just spring bear hunting.
Whoa, whoa.
And we are looking for gophers to shoot. It's fun to shoot gophers. How's that? Sounds hard to say. It'd be nice to see a bear come out right now. Levi gonna get the gopher, the big bad scary gopher. Sometimes they'll just walk right out in front of you. You're standing here like this, and all of a sudden they'll just walk out right to one of these openings. And it's about a 350 to 400 yard shot straight across. So down to that bottom, down to the creek down there, that's at least 150 yards. So the other side's about 3, 4, and then if I zoom in to that spot right there, that's about 500 yards. And I've shot animals that far before. It'd be nice to see a bear right here. We walked in on this road. Checking for bears for Levi. He looks like a pumpkin. Oh, man, it would be so nice to see a bear. Snow up there. That's about, is that like 6,000 up there, Levi? What do we mark it? 62. So that's about 6,200 feet. And then the road goes is like half, like 3/4 of the way up that. So it's probably like 7,000 foot right there. It does not look that steep on camera, but it is steep. You wouldn't believe it. This video doesn't do justice. And you're looking at that mountain range way in the back, way back there. That's about 80 miles. Zoom back out. Boom. There you go. So you could see 80 miles, no problem. Oh, then there's a... Is that a cloud? Yeah, it's a cloud. Well, I hope you enjoy this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. God bless the USA.